A variable must begin with a letter or underscore. A variable cannot begin with a number. Variable can only contain any combination of A to Z, capital A to Z, 0 to 9, and underscore. Variable is case sensitive. The three variables sun, sun, and sun are different. The three naming examples below are wrong in Python. For variable with several words, you can use camel case, Pascal case, or snake case. The type function tells us about the data type of the variable. In the examples below, Planck's constant has a type of float, and the Fibonacci sequence has the type of list. In the last example, I used the while loop to calculate the Fibonacci numbers. The while loops is used to execute a block of statements repeatedly until a given condition is satisfied.